a lot. Welcome everyone to this video. I'm going to show you here how you actually started to set a default font and what you're gonna do is about for this video. First of all, what you're gonna do is about be helping you on this video. As you can understand and see, it's gonna be really one of things that is really to be about be understood on what you're gonna do about to do that, whether if it's really about be satisfied with the progress that is really to be important to deal with that on progress, what is going on about that. It's really about to be in this situation that is already to be about to be over here, and this is going to be about to be understood on a certain auto the thing that is default font. So what you're gonna do is about to click here on that ABC, so that is about that over here, and this is about to be over here to go with a very clever font. So whether you click on here on the text, you can actually use a typograph. So that is really about to be over here. It's really about to go with the enter regular font or anything that is really to be really about this font, as you can understand and see. So that is really already everything that it should be really helpful about that.